Civil danger warning for the following counties or areas. All of Montana. Effective indefinitely. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. A very hazardous and unexplainable situation is currently unfolding across the entire state of Montana. Very dangerous anomalous entities have been appearing inside people's homes. The anomalies are completely invisible, and there exists no way of detecting their presence early. The only way they make their existence public is when a nearby individual shows any visible signs of sadness, distress, or depression. These signs can include things like sighing, crying, or even as much as frowning for too long. When the anomaly senses these actions, it will immediately appear, seemingly out of thin air, and pounce on its target. The anomaly will kill, and in some cases even dismember their target. As previously stated, there exist no ways to detect the anomaly's presence, so there are very few precautions that can be taken. You are advised to take the few safeguards there are at this time. Mainly, do not show any signs of sadness or disturbance. Wear as straight of a face as possible at all times. Refrain from crying or suspiring. Do not read into or indulge in any topics or conversation that may result in you feeling dreadful or disheartened. There are no ways to stop these entities once they appear, and death is 100% guaranteed. They feed off of sadness. I repeat, they feed off of sadness.